Thank you so much. Ma'am, can you just post this side also? Then you just get a few visuals. No, just post right now. They'll get your visuals and then after they'll give you 5 minutes. Okay. Huh? No. Yeah. Thank you.
जी आइए साथ में कर लेते हैं।
आज पहली स्क्रीनिंग हो रही है रंगों की, सो अभी तक किसी भी फिल्म देखी है, क्या रिस्पॉन्स आपको कुछ मिला है, कुछ बताना चाहिए?
अभी तो हम लोगों ने देखी है एंड वी आर वेरी प्राउड ऑफ व्हाट वी हैव डन, so that's why we want to share with our friends and in the industry, and we are very very happy and proud about it.
Sir, did you see the trailer?
जी
How was it?
ट्रेलर ऑफ
Trailer देखा आपने?
अरे नहीं तो वी वर इन प्रोसेस ऑफ एवरीथिंग एंड 1.5-2 साल से पिक्चर इन्होंने तो 7 साल से जी है, मुझे 2 साल हुआ एंड फाइनली द डेज कम 4 दिन बैलेंस है अभी पहले दिन अभी पहले आई थिंक सो करीना इज द फर्स्ट पर्सन हुज वाचिंग
Yeah, she is the first person from outside our
फिल्म को लेके काफी बuzz है ऑलरेडी, people are talking about it, so is it helping the film? Like, do you think build-up हो रहा है काफी अच्छे से रिलीज के पहले?
आई थिंक और बिल्डअप होना चाहिए और जितना हो बिल्डअप वो हमें कम है हमारे में।
नहीं आज सिर्फ करीना है देन कल से वी आर स्टार्टेड शोइंग एवरीबॉडी सैफ इज इन दिल्ली एंड कंगना इज इन दिल्ली वो आज वो वॉकथॉन है तो इसके लिए दे आते हैं सो दे विल स्टार्ट कमिंग फ्रॉम टुमारो ऑन
अरे अजीत आप भी आइए जी अजीत जी वाईकॉम CEO
They're not ready with their questions.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे? फिल्म को लेके काफी अच्छा बuzz है, people are waiting for the movie, now it's releasing, so how's the, like, are you, कैसे लग रहा है आपको? Movie finally release हो गई।
See, first of all, this is the sort of movie which will be sitting very proudly on the body of work that Viacom has done. The kind of films that we have done have always stood for something different. I think you can already see that in the film. There is a sense of anticipation and there is a sense of a credible, high-quality film. And I think as a studio, we are very proud that we are here. I think in the next 4 or 5 days, there will be a lot more excitement rolling out. We have just put out some extended look as well in the media, which gives you a better feel of what the film is. And all the 3 characters, they have their own journeys, they have their own story. And it's a very epic background. You know, in India, we don't make films with that kind of a backdrop. You know, World War II, when we are ourselves going with 2 very major philosophies. One was Gandhi's and the other was Bose's. So I think you can't get a better canvas to tell a story which is a very exotic story like this. So we are very excited as a studio to have such a film, and the journey is now 5 days from release. So I'm very excited. Yes.
Viacom के लिए काफी अच्छा साल है, I think Padmavathy is also coming out by the end of the year. So what can we expect from that? What else can we expect?
जी बिल्कुल, तो अच्छा साल रहा है और यही कोशिश है कि एक इस तरह की कॉम्बिनेशन रहे स्लेट में कि बिल्कुल अलग अलग तरह की अलग अलग किस्म की फिल्म आए। किसी में मनोरंजन एक रियलिस्टिक ट्रीटमेंट के ज़रिए होगा तो किसी में एक मैग्नम ओपस के ज़रिए होगा। तो ये अलग अलग रंग हैं और सभी रंगों को मिलाकर एक जो कुल मिलाकर तस्वीर बननी चाहिए, वो एक इंटरेस्टिंग तस्वीर बननी चाहिए। बिकॉज सिनेमा का ये जिम्मा है कि कुछ नया करे, कुछ डिफरेंट करे, तो वही कोशिश है। सो लेट्स सी हाउ दिस वर्क्स आउट।
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू।
Sir, center. You want to go with that IMAX? Or an IMAX?
Oh yes.
Look center. Yes, see, we got this. Want to go with this? You sure? And? No?
Yeah.
Ah, I'm going to break it. बहुत excited हूँ देखने के लिए. I love the trailer. I love Vishal Bhardwaj's films. I've loved the last time Saif and Vishal worked together in Omkara. And the chemistry looks amazing. The songs are superb. So I'm hoping to see a very nice one.
Thank you. Kunal sir, stand on the visual. बाइट पहले बाइट कर पहले बाइट बाइट दे दिया
सोलो कर
Hi.
What are you expecting from the film? काफी अच्छा buzz है, अभी से ही people are waiting. So what are you expecting?
I think I'm expecting it to be, one of the films of the year because it's directed by one of my favorite directors, Vishal Bhardwaj, जिन्होंने ओमकारा बनाई है. And I think that people are expecting that because they are very excited because Saif was so good in Omkara. Langra Tyagi is one of Saif's iconic roles. And I think Rusi, his character in this film is going to be very, very striking. Because pehli baar he's playing a Parsi, a film producer himself. So we're very excited. And this film is very emotional for me because Sajid Narewala ki film hai. Karishma did Judwa with him and I did Kambaktish. I normally don't come for trials. In fact, Saif told me, I'm quite surprised you're going. I said, I have to go because it's, you, Vishal and Sajid.
सैफ का निगेटिव रोल है तो क्या कहना चाहिए ओमकारा के बाद निगेटिव रोल्स कर रहे हैं तो नेक्स्ट
I think Vishal Bhardwaj की फिल्म में I think the negative character is very striking, most of the time. हालांकि I think that there are 3 stellar actors in this film. Brilliant actors, Kangana, Shahid and Saif. I think all 3 are going to be, I like the competition, there should be competition because तीनों में competition रहना चाहिए. क्योंकि उसी के वजह से then they'll all give their best and I expect nothing less from 3 of, I think they're the best performers in the industry today, all 3.
गाने का बज़ बहुत है तो कौन सा गाना आपका फेवरेट था?
Oh, well, I think all the songs are really nice. Bloody Hell is very popular. I think this film, Vishal की films में, I think गाने की हमेशा is not what people talk about. I think they talk about the fact that it's such a deep story, such an amazing story, great performances, great screenplay.
अभी तक जो लग रहा है it's a love triangle. So who do you think will win Changna in the end, Saif or Vishal?
Now that I know the story because I know the script, but you all don't. So we'll have to wait for that now because that is something that, you know, the audience has to see. Well, we are starting the film in May. So let's see, I'm very excited. It's going to be an amazing story. It's about 4 women. Normally hero-heroine hoti hai film mein, but I think the first time that it's a story about 4 different women. So I think it'll be quite exciting to do. Nice. तुम लोग लाइट दो